I've seen this guy before, except there were 2 or 3 of them. And he ate out of my hand, so... Come on. Come on. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty. Come on. Get out of my hand. Here. Look at this. Look, Bill. That's amazing. These are probably not wild doves. There were 2 or 3 of them, now there's 1. Anytime we see a domestic bird, well, something happens. Since they're domestic, look at this guy here. Come on. He's trying to horn in. You can wait your turn. I want to get more seeds. This is one beautiful bird. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get lost. Uh-oh. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm getting stampeded. Nope. Hey! I want to feed this little white one here. Come on. Hey! Okay, you go over there. You and me are gonna. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, buggers. Look, I was feeding this white guy here. Oh, God. He's very tame. He might even come up on my hand. You buggers. We gotta get off on our own somewhere. Come on, you fly up. He's gotta fly up. Fly up. Oh, man. It's hilarious, but I really would like to feed this white guy. He's so beautiful. He's hanging around me. He's really hopeful. I can't get these guys away. No, no, no. This is getting to be kind of long. Nah! I don't think it's going to work anymore, but we'll try. I'm going to have a little pigeon feed. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Come on. There he is. There he is. Quickly now. The other birds are all... Hey, you stupid assholes. Now, the geese are the survivors of the animal kingdom. I think I've done about as much feeding as I'm going to do. It's amazing when you get a glorious white dove like this. It looks like a dove. And like I said, we saw, I think, probably 4. 2 white and 2 black. Now we see 1 feeding frenzy. The white one was eating out of my hand.